Hi, this is B. V. Ramana, teacher in English. In this video, I would like to share with you the topic easy identification of noun clauses. Right, let us start our discussion with a question. What is a noun clause? Noun clause is a subordinate clause which does the functions of a noun or a noun phrase. Generally, it begins with that or WH words or if. Now the question is, how can we identify the noun clauses? It's quite easy. We can easily identify the noun clauses with the question word what. How? It is because if a subordinate clause answers the word what, then it is called a noun clause. That means whenever we put a question with what, then the subordinate clause will be the answer. Then the subordinate clause is called a noun clause. Well, now let us have some examples for noun clauses. Example number 1. Here, the underlined part that she was playing chess will be a noun clause because it answers the question word what. And whenever you put the question, I saw what or what did you see, then the answer will be that she was playing chess. So it is a noun clause. In the example number 2, the underlined subordinate clause, what he can do, answers the question word what. So here it is a noun clause because it answers the question word what. I mean, whenever you put the question, she knows what or what does she know, then the answer will be what he can do. So it is a noun clause. In the third example, the underlined part, I mean the subordinate clause, what his weight is will be a noun clause because it answers the question word what. So whenever you put the question, he can tell what or what can he tell, then the answer will be what his weight is. So it is a noun clause. In the example number 4, the underlined part will answer the question word what. So it is a noun clause. So whenever you put the question what was not known, the answer will be why she had come. So the underlined part will be the noun clause because it answers the question word what. And the last example, the underlined part where she had bought this cell will be the noun clause because it answers the question word what. So whenever you put the question, they asked what or what did they ask, then where she had bought the cell will be the answer. So here it answers the question word what. So it is a noun clause. Right. Now let us have an exercise. Say if the underlined subordinate clauses are noun clauses. Example number 1. Here the underlined subordinate clause that he had kept it in the house is a noun clause because it answers the question word what. So whenever we say he forgot what or what did he forget, then the answer will be that he had kept it in the house. So the underlined part is a noun clause. And in the example number 2, when he calls is an underlined subordinate clause. Here it is not a noun clause because it doesn't answer the question word what. Here it answers when. So whenever we say when will you come, then the underlined part will be the answer. So here the underlined part doesn't answer the question word what, but here it answers the question word when. So it is not a noun clause. So to call a subordinate clause a noun clause, it should answer the question word what. And example number 3, he noticed how they were writing. Here the underlined subordinate clause, how they were writing will be the noun clause because it answers the question word what. So whenever you ask the question, he noticed what or what did he notice, the answer will be how they were writing. So how they were writing will be the noun clause. And example number 4. Here the underlined part where he wants is not a noun clause because it doesn't answer the question word what. Here it answers the question word where. So whenever you put the question where can he live, then the answer will be where he wants. So the underlined part here doesn't answer the question word what. So it is not a noun clause. They asked why he had taken their books. Here, the underlined subordinate clause, why he had taken their books, is a noun clause because it answers here the question word what. So, whenever you put the question, they asked what or what did they ask, the answer will be why he had taken their books. So, it is a noun clause. And example number 6. Here the underlined part is as they show. Here the underlined part as they show is not a noun clause because here it doesn't answer the question word what. Here it answers the question word how. How should I eat? Whenever you ask this one, then the answer will be as they show. So here the underlined subordinate clause as they show is not a noun clause because it doesn't answer the question word what. Well, summing up, when a subordinate clause answers the WH word what, it is called noun clause. Well friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel tapping subscribe button on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste.